Arashiyama, one of Kyoto's most beautiful and scenic spots. And there's so much more to see than just the famous bamboo forest. From one of Japan's most scenic railway lines to thrilling river rafting adventures, this place has hidden gems around every corner. So join me in today's video as I explore the very best of Arashiyama. Morning all from Japan, day 3. Getting to Arashiyama is easy and it will take you about 15 or 20 minutes. Depending on where you're staying and the line you're staying near, you can either make your way to Arashiyama Station or the Sago Arashiyama Station. Firstly, let me share where we stayed in Kyoto, which was budget friendly and walking distance to all the main attractions. And its location and price isn't even the best selling point. Every afternoon between 5:30 and 7:30, this hotel has a happy hour and you get to choose between sake, spirits, mocktails, juices, coffees. The hotel also has a public onsen, great amenities, and as well as a pillow library. Only a few hundred meters from Kawawashi Station, the Niseki Markets, the shopping district, and only a kilometer from the Gion Geisha district. I've dropped the link in the caption below, so make sure you check this one out. If you arrive to the Arashiyama Station, the first thing you'll see is the kimono forest. Personally, I think this is prettier at night because all of these different poles illuminate. This is the Sago Arashiyama train station where we will take the Sagano Romantic Train from. My train time is at 9:02 and then I have my boat booked for 10 o'clock. It should take around 25 minutes to get there. The ticket price is only $9 and the trains run every hour and you will need to pre-purchase your tickets well in advance. You want open carriage, which is this one. Make sure you book carriage number 5, called the Rich Carriage. I booked mine on Klook. I booked 2 weeks in advance and I couldn't get myself a window and there are only 2 seats left. So I would suggest a month in advance at least booking, and you can use my discount code below to get up to 10% off. And you can pick your seats through Klook, so it's super easy. These are the other carriages and they are just as nice. They just don't have the roof. No matter which side you sit, you're still going to get a good view because you cross over the river. The ride is about 25 minutes and you'll get off at Kameoka Railway Station. This is where you embark on your Hozugawa River Rafting Boat. We have arrived at the station. No idea where I go now, so I'm just going to fumble my way through as I always do. But I'm just going to head out of the building. I'm sure it will be very well signed where to go to get to the rafting boats. Yay! It looked so good. I'm so excited for this. It's very easy and very well signed, and you catch one of the tour buses which takes you through to the river rafting. So once again, I pre-booked my tickets through Klook. You can use the discount code below, yada yada yada. But I saved lining up in that big long queue and actually knowing that I've secured a boat. So I would definitely pre-book. You wait for your number to be called and then you come down here and I guess line up for your boat. I am on board. I've got a side seat, so I am very happy. And we are just loading everyone on board. It's a pretty simple process. It only took about 10 minutes from arriving on the bus to getting in the boat. So far we have seen 3 turtles perched up on rocks. Oh, another one! Oh, 스폰 스폰. 아래가 우마이. 맞아. Full power, okay? Let's go! Oh, there's even a barbecue. I've never seen a drive-up boat with actually a barbecue on it. 3 piece That was really good, and the boat dropped us off right in Arashiyama, right at the park, and I had this one flagged as somewhere to go, and there is a cafe just up here, an art museum I think it's called, so Yasai Tea House, so I'm going to go check that out, and then I'm going to go to the Arashiyama Bamboo Forest, followed by a more hidden gem bamboo forest, which apparently is much quieter. So let's go see what the crowds are like at lunchtime. The restaurant looks great and its view is spectacular, but it's so full, so I'm going to keep motoring on and find somewhere else to have a snack. And if I just walk up this path here, I get straight to the Arashiyama Bamboo Forest and then the train station. So it was a bit of an uphill trek, to be honest.
I'm sorry.
You really should do it in reverse if you're not going to do the Hozugawa River Tour. So come to the Bamboo Forest and then loop back up and go down to the park and the river. So do it obviously in reverse. But it's really beautiful in here. Not as busy as I thought it would be, which is nice to see, but it is the peak of summer, so it's not as if it is Golden Week or spring or cherry blossoms. So, but it is very beautiful. The alternate that I'm going to go to is the Adashino Nebutsuji temple, and it's about a 20-minute walk. So if it wasn't summer, it would be easy, but it's going to be a bit of a hike in summer, but I'm prepared to do it. And that was so cool. There was a traditional Japanese flutist playing in the middle of the forest. It was so beautiful. The temple is within the Arashiyama Bamboo Forest, and you can get all of the lucky charms and do your onakuji, which is your fortune telling here. It's usually around 100 or 200, and you usually get a little fortune. I always love these little trinkets that you can buy, and they all have a different lucky meaning. I always load up on them. I've accepted defeat, guys. 21-minute walk in 35-degree humidity heat is just too far, and I have blisters on blisters on blisters, and my band-aids just keep slipping off, like I can barely walk at this point. So that just means I'm going to have to come back one day. I will still, however, drop the location below, because if it was winter and I didn't have blisters on my feet, I would absolutely hike up there. Although the Arashiyama Bamboo Forest wasn't as busy as everyone makes it out to be, so I thought it was actually okay. There were hidden gems and hidden spots within there that I thought were actually quite good. So I'm walking down the main street in Arashiyama, and I'll show you. There are lots of different places to stop and eat. I remember a place that we went last time that I'm going to head to. It had lots of different things to choose from. So I'm going to go there and grab something to eat. If you keep walking along here, we make our way down to the bridge and to the Hozugawa River, where I was just at. And I did check the Uber price. It was going to be about $20 each way for a 1.5 kilometre trip, and I just wasn't prepared to pay $40 to go to a bamboo forest when I was out one. So yeah, we'll save that for another trip. This place looks so cute to eat. That's the front of it. It's in the main street. Everything looks so cute. Japan really does cute very, very well. So I found the spot that I had at lunch here last time. It's all undercover and a lot cooler than it is out on the street. And it's kind of like, I guess, a food court area, and you've got all sorts of different foods to choose from. What will I have? So far they're all sweet. I need something substantial.
Yeah, it's just...
Well, they're all beers and chicken and gyozas. Oh, and noodles. What will I have? I ordered a yakisoba, which is fried noodles, and it came with chicken, and I got a beer. And it is so hot. It's like 36 degrees today, and I am struggling. Last time we were in Arashiyama, it was winter, and I love winter in Japan. I find it so easy. You can get so much done in your day. It's wonderful. Spring and autumn are good too, but summer, geez, you just have to pace yourself that little bit more. I know I was complaining about being hot. Can you imagine how hot that poor guy is? Wow. That would be hard work right now. I've come down to the bridge for a look. Straight across from here, if you cross the bridge, you'll find the monkey park at the top over there. That is where I came down earlier over here, where we did our rafting, and then I walked all the way up around the back, down the main street, and ended up back to here. So this isn't far from where the train comes in, so it really is a really easy loop to just go around the whole entire area. There's a few temples as well. I've done them in previous trips, so I haven't done them today just because it's 36 degrees and I'm damn hot.
Oh yeah, it's okay.
But it's very beautiful down here.
It's like this.
A good spot to grab something to eat is just over here on the right as well. And if you don't do the riverboat cruise, you can actually hire one straight across over there as well. You can basically just shop and eat your way along this street before heading back on the train into downtown Kyoto. So much cute stuff. Lots of souvenirs. These coin purses are cute. Jewelry. Just nice having a look in the aircon. Oh look, samurai umbrellas. Oh, look at these. Aren't these cute? Little bunnies. Everything's bunny themed. So cute. Lots of people come and wear their kimonos down here and do photo shoots in this area and in the bamboo forest as well. And that is the end of this video. Check out the links below for my walking map, as well as all the links to everything that I did today. And check out the rest of my Japan content and Southeast Asia.